Here's the most underrated feature in Claude right now: skills. You teach your assistant how you want a job done once, and from then on, it just does it that way, automatically, every single time. In the next 5 minutes, you'll see exactly how skills work, and we'll build a real one together, live. The finished skill file is free. First link below.
So what is a skill?
It's a playbook, a small file of instructions your assistant keeps on hand and loads the moment a task matches it. Your rules for chasing invoices, your report format, your tone of voice, written down once in plain English, not a chat message that scrolls away. A file that sticks around and gets used again and again. Here's the difference from a prompt. A prompt is a one-off. You type it, it works once, and tomorrow you're typing it again from memory. A skill persists, and the part most people miss, it triggers itself. You never say, "Use my invoice playbook." You just ask for the work. The assistant spots the match and loads the playbook on its own. A skill is one markdown file called SKILL.md, and it has 3 parts. A name, a description, and that's the important one because the description tells the assistant when to trigger the skill. And then the instructions, the steps, the rules, the tone, written the way you'd brief a new employee. That's the whole format, no code required. Let's build one for a job every business hates: chasing overdue invoices. Create a folder called invoice-chaser, and inside it a file called SKILL.md. At the top goes the front matter. Name, invoice-chaser. Description, use this when asked to chase, follow up on, or remind a customer about an unpaid or overdue invoice. That one sentence is the trigger. Now the instructions underneath, the actual playbook. First, check how overdue the invoice is. Under 2 weeks, send a friendly nudge and assume they simply missed it. Over a month, firmer tone, state the amount and a clear payment date. Always include the invoice reference. Always stay polite, never threaten. 5 lines of plain English, and that is a working automation. Where does the file go? 2 options. Put it in your home folder under .claude/skills, and it works in every project on your machine. Or put it inside one project, in that project's .claude/skills folder, and it only applies there. Personal skills for you, project skills for the whole team. Drop the folder in, and it's live. Now watch it work. I open a chat and type, "Chase the Hendrix invoice." Notice I never mention the skill. The assistant reads the request, matches it against that description, loads invoice-chaser, and drafts the email exactly to the playbook. Polite, references the invoice, firmer tone because it's 5 weeks overdue. That's the moment this clicks. I taught it once. Once you see the pattern, ideas jump out everywhere. A weekly report writer. Your metrics, your format, ready every Friday. A brand voice rewriter. Feed it any rough draft, get back your company's tone. A meeting notes formatter. Paste a transcript, get decisions and action items laid out your way. Any job you've explained twice is a skill waiting to be written. 2 safety basics before you go wild. 1. A skill is instructions your assistant will follow, so read any skill file you didn't write yourself before you install it. The same way you'd review a script before running it. 2. Never put secrets in a skill file. No passwords, no API keys. Those live in your environment, not in the playbook. Here's why this matters. Skills teach your assistant how you work. MCP connects it to your tools. Agents let it run on its own. Stack the 3, and every automation you build makes the next one better. It compounds. I publish 1 practical automation every week on this channel, so subscribe if you want them as they land. Grab the invoice-chaser skill. It's the first link in the description. Enter your email and it unlocks instantly, along with 5 complete automation kits with setup guides. And if you'd rather have this built for your business, skills, connectors, the whole system done for you. That's agentlabs.agency. See you in the next one.